This week, silver against US dollar has risen in value, but the start of the week was not so successful for the bulls because the price has formed a bullish candle on a Monday, trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see this wick above this area of resistance, but the candle body could not close above this area of resistance, and the price on the next day returned back down in the middle of this area between this resistance and this support. But we can see on a Wednesday the price continued to lose its value, reaching this area of support, a demand zone where the buyers are waiting, and the price returned back up. But we can see on a Wednesday the price has opened with a gap, where this close at the end of this day has opened with the gap on the next day right here. So the price is returned immediately the same day to close this gap, and we can see after that the price continued to rise in value. The price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance the next day. We can see that above 41.32, and then continued to rise in value. We can see that where the price currently is heading. For the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bullish momentum still active on the market, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth bullish candle in a row with a pretty strong with a pretty big candle body, which means a strong bullish momentum is in the market currently active and pushing the price to the higher price levels. Monthly time frame, it is just showing again the same bullish scenario, where we can see for the several in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 4 months. This is the 5th month where the price is forming a strong bullish candles, which is just showing it is a strong bullish momentum currently active on the market. Probably the price will not stop easily. We can see where the next target is 44.28, which we can see currently here on the chart where the price is heading. So for now, what we can expect for the next week, what I can see, the price is starting to move to the higher price levels, reaching again 44.28 is the next target what I'm expecting. On the daily time frame, we can see that there is a small support level, resistance level 43.08 as the next target where the price could stop, but also the price could manage to make small support and resistance levels in this area, between this area of support, this area of resistance. But we'll see during the week on the daily time frame how the price is behaving around these areas. Will there be a small resistance, or it will be an open space for the price to reach this resistance and then retrace back down? Because the price did not reach these resistance levels for a very long time, we need to see how the price will behave to make small resistance, to make small support levels, so we can use them for the technical analysis to predict where the price could move in the future. So for now, I'm more inclined to see the price reaching high price levels for the silver for the next week, but we'll see how the price behaves, what are the next support and resistance levels for the price, and that is something that I will do, making again small support and resistance levels based on the Fibonacci extensions, and I will make this template for the MetaTrader 4. If you would like to receive this template with the support and resistance levels on the lower time frames, like 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily, to see where the price is stopping, where the price needs to make a bullish or bearish breakouts, feel free to check the link below in the description. It is a premium analysis where I share these details with the trades during the week, and also when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts happening on the market. So feel free to check that and then receive these updates during the week when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakouts, to see and also to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.